10 Simple Ways to Make Money Online. This tried and true guide will show you the 10 start working from home. 1. Sell products or services. You can sell products or services online through platforms like Etsy, eBay, or your own website. 2. Affiliate marketing. You can make money on commissions by promoting other people's products on your website or social media channels and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral. 3. Dropshipping. Dropshipping involves setting up an online store and partnering with a supplier who handles the inventory and shipping of the products. 4. Freelancing. If you have a particular skill or expertise, you can offer your services as a freelancer through platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. 5. Blogging. You can create a blog and monetize it through advertising, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. 6. Create an app or game. If you have programming skills, you can create an app or game and sell it through app stores like Google Play or the App Store. 7. Online tutoring or teaching. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can offer tutoring or teaching services online through platforms like iTutor or VIPKid. 8. Sell digital products. One of the main methods to selling digital products online is to create an online store. Another method some people opt for is selling their digital products through a digital marketplace. Some marketplaces are Amazon or eBay. Regardless of which method you choose, it's important to make sure that you have a clear understanding of your target market and what they are looking for. 9. Start a podcast. You can create a podcast and monetize it through sponsorships, advertising, or selling merchandise. 10. YouTube. If you have a talent or hobby that you enjoy sharing with others, you can create a YouTube channel and monetize it through ads and sponsorships. Thanks for following along. Thanks for watching. Be sure to visit GetRichNow.com for more methods.